So once it is completed, you can see your deployment is complete status on the page. And then you can see there is a go to resource button on the bottom. Click on it and it will take you to the next page where you can get the essentials on the top and also a button to launch Azure Machine Learning Studio over here on the bottom. So click on it. It will take a few seconds to load and you can see a compute button on the left. So click on it. So compute resources are needed to train and deploy models using Azure Machine Learning Designer. So it is the place where the training process and testing the model after deploying it is taken place. So you'll have basically 4 types of compute resources. There are compute instances, compute clusters, inference clusters, and attached computes. So let us go ahead and create compute instances and compute clusters which we need in this project. So you can go and click on new. So you can see compute name, you can give a unique name. So let us give it the location. It will take as the same as workspace, but then you can use virtual machine type as CPU, and you can click on select from options for virtual machine size. You can choose from the options whichever is suitable for you, so based on what capabilities you want. So we can select standard DS11 V2. And then we need to once it is done, we need to create. So it will take some time to create. So let us go to compute resources and create there. So click on new, and the location it has given as Central India, that is same as our workspace. And virtual machine type, keep it as dedicated, or if you are wanted to get a low priority, you can go ahead with second option. So virtual machine type, give it a CPU, or if you are more needed, then you can go for GPU. And virtual machine size, you can click on select from options and you can choose whichever is good for you. So let us choose this one, standard DS11 V2, and you can go ahead and see if there are any options. No, everything is filled. You can click on next, and once for this you need to give some credentials for advanced settings. So compute name, so you can give number of nodes, minimum number of nodes as 0 and maximum number of nodes to 2. So let us leave this idle seconds before scale down to 120, not changing anything over there. And you can see the settings is complete, and you can click on create. So these two things are being created, so it will take some time for them to be created. Let us continue in the next video.